Alrighty. So overall, I don't know, we did about 35, 40 mile. Yeah, we did about 40 mile an hour. And the Bimini top, it did not move, shake. It was very silent. It didn't make any noise at all. And it was bumpy because it is Saturday on our local lake, as you can see. So yeah, it's I really enjoy it, and I'm glad I did it. Also, I love the fact that you don't have to put, you got that whole area there is open, and it looks really cool too. Oh yeah, and it didn't interfere when we were surfing at all. Actually, I can lower this quite a bit. Didn't get any video of it. Maybe I'll get some, maybe I'll put a shot in. So anyway, yeah, really dig it, and that's it.